Esteemed partners, today I reaffirm our strong commitment to a principle that lies at the heart of corporate culture: zero tolerance for sexual exploitation, harassment, and abuse. These acts not only betray the trust placed in us, but also undermine the fundamental values we strive to uphold in our work across the globe. We recognize that our effectiveness depends on the integrity of our actions and the safety of those we serve. It's our collective responsibility to create an environment where every individual feels secure and respected, free from fear of exploitation or abuse. This commitment is non-negotiable. We call upon our partners to join us in promoting this zero-tolerance stance towards any forms of discrimination. Together, we can strengthen our policies, enhance our training, and foster a culture of accountability. We must ensure that all staff and stakeholders understand their role in preventing sexual exploitation, harassment, and abuse. Let us stand united, not only in words, but in action, that resonate throughout our communities. Thank you.